Good morning. Thanks for tuning in. So today is 3rd of March 2025 and we're actually going to give notice of our marriage at our local council today. So we've just dropped off the kids.
Yep.
And actually we just want to make sure that we've got everything that's required. So what they've asked for is a valid passport or some form of travel document. They've also asked for proof of address, which could be something like a bank statement or a what did it say? Driver's license.
Or utility bill.
Utility bill.
Yep.
But actually, I feel so nervous about it because they're really strict. You know, if you don't have the right documents, then they said that we won't be able to go ahead today and that we'll have to kind of rebook the whole appointment and pay again, basically. But hey, I think we've got what we need, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I think so.
We just actually, I think the tactic is to bring more than what they've asked for. So yeah, that'll be our day today. You can come with us and we will keep you posted on what this process looks like. It's about 30 to 45 minutes long. So I'm sort of like, what? I have no idea what to expect.
So yeah, stay tuned, guys. If you're getting married this year and also unsure what to do, then this video is for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah.
Thanks.
And also let us know what video you'd like to see us do next. Yeah. What are you up to right now?
Okay, I think I should ask you what you're up to because I'm just here to wait for you to get something printed. Okay, this is my friend Shiraz. This is his shop, Colour Copy Stat, Wembley Park Drive.
Yeah. For all your printing
Anything you
needs.
need- yeah, anything you need, he's got you. T-shirts, flyers, leaflets, business cards. See all these machines? He does everything. So guys, actually, across the road, that's my shop. And I actually do have a printer, but last night what I realised is that I ran out of ink and it's too early to try and get ink right now. So this is why we come to Shiraz. He always helps me out. Lastminute.com usually. So yeah, once we get a couple more things printed, we'll make our way. I think we're probably running short on time now, but we don't have far to go, so good.
Hey guys, so we are now on the way to our appointment. I'm in the passenger seat today, enjoying passenger life. So this is sort of Wembley Park or Wembley Stadium area, which is being regenerated. So there are flats being built up. The area is becoming really nice, to be honest, in terms of property, things to do, places to eat. Got a little shopping centre, or a little outlet I should say. But yeah, have a look. here to the Civic Centre. Wembley Civic Centre. There's Wembley Arena where they have all the concerts. Park in the underground car park.
We're a little bit early, so we're just waiting. Yeah, really interesting here. I'll give you a little tour. Here's Dwayne trying to work. Multitasking as always.
Hey guys, so we have successfully just completed giving notice in our boroughs. So yeah, it's official. But it was quite an easy process, and for sure every question they asked me about the rate I need the answer to.
But did you though? You see, this is what they do. When you first get there, you both go and you present your documents. So actually what they required from us was just our passport and our driving license, and although we had printed our utility bills and bank statements, they didn't require that, so that was great. So the first thing that we did is we presented our documents, then she separated us. So this is why I say, did he really get all the questions correct? Because what she what she had said was that we have to separate for 15 minutes each. She'll ask us questions separately. And guess what she said? I would like you to go first. And interestingly enough, I was thinking, why does she want me to go first? Why? What's that all about? Anyhow, we go through everything. She asks me my full name, date of birth, his full name, his date of birth, if we've previously been married. And because we hadn't, apparently this simplified the whole process like a lot. They also asked like our parents' names. Well, they asked me for my parents' names and their occupation. What else did she ask? It wasn't very much, like my occupation, his occupation, which, yeah, I couldn't get down to.
I know, she did say that actually.
Yeah, I kind of struggled with that.
You tried to explain it the best way you
I'm
could.
like, yeah, medical operations, engineer, like field engineer, like, you know, all the words, but just
everything in one.
So
she also asked, obviously, if we had been married before or any civil partnership in this country or any other country. And funny enough, she asked the question.
Wait,
she
one
said,
second. Oh.
Come on. But then she asked another question. It's like, are you guys related?
Oh, yeah. But
I was like,
she was. You know what's funny that she said? She actually said, I know it seems like a silly question.
Yeah.
But are you related? And I'm like, you know, in Brent, and this is coming from someone who has a lot of clients from the area, being like married to your relative or being in a relationship or having children with your relative is not uncommon at all. Like, for some cultures, this is normal. It is part of the culture.
It's quite surprising to me.
When she said it was a silly question, I said, I don't think that's a silly question at all. There was some other questions about the venue. You had to be very certain about the venue, because if you change venue, you have to give notice again.
If anything is wrong in your answers, they have to, or you have to then, as a couple, give notice again. And the two systems, so we're getting married outside of our borough, which is actually Hertfordshire, but the two systems connect, so we don't have to do anything else. That borough, or Hertfordshire borough, will know that we've given notice in our borough, and then I think closer to the time or on the day, we will just have a short interview with the registrar.
That's correct. Yeah, we will have to declare that information again, let them know of any changes before we actually do get married.
So yeah, if you are planning to move home within the time of giving notice or after giving notice, then just make sure that you update your information after that.
Yes. So going back to what I was saying about her wanting for me to go first. So just before I left the room, I said to her, I'm not sure that he's going to get all these answers correct. And she's like, don't worry, this is why I made you go first. So essentially she kind of just uses that information to kind of make sure that his information is, so long as it's within the ballpark of that, then you're good. She kind of tied it all in together, so that was perfect. It was good. It felt like we're getting a step closer. It just made everything feel so real, and I mean, it's a legal process, so amazing. Okay, so that's it from this video, guys. That's us giving notice for our wedding. So as promised, we will keep you updated with all the main things that we do in relation to our wedding and leading up to our wedding day. So please do like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye for now.